Jordanbikes in Leeds, and this afternoon we have got this 2018 GSXR1000R. It's fitted with a full system to this little acro cam. It's been in for a full ECU Remap, so yeah, this model just runs really bad snatchy, throttle low down, sort of surging through acceleration. So yeah, we're going to do the final run now, and then we'll talk about everything that we've achieved. When we did the base run, we had just over 176, which is the red line. As you can see, just fueling not too bad through mid-range and top end, just bottom end, just sort of around 3 to 4.5. Just struggled, just running far too lean, obviously with a full system fitted. So we've just sorted the fueling out, removed all the restrictions, all the ignition restrictions in the ignition map, removed the electronic throttle valve restrictions, opened that up, smoothed it out so you get the real acceleration and the smooth acceleration and no snatchy throttle now. So we have got just short of 190 brake horsepower, 189.4, so just short 14 horsepower gain, and that is mid-range, top end all the way through. You can see just how smooth it is. So yeah, that's a 100% throttle, so 14 horsepower. Just show you this so you get an idea of not just top end gains as well. So this is 47%, so you can see there 115 before fueling. Just fair, not too bad really. Yeah, it made 115, just makes now just short of 140, so yeah, nice.
And that's at what, 48% throttle?
Yeah, just 50%, so half throttle, where you probably do most of your typical riding. So it's a lot smoother, and two, it'll just accelerate so much better. So yeah, it should be all around a different bike to ride. So if you're yours with, please give us a call.